Going on an outdoor adventures requires a dependable companion, and a quality camping folding shovel is a versatile tool that should never be overlooked. In this guide, I am going to present a curated selection of 5 best camping folding shovels, each with its unique set of features and capabilities to elevate your outdoor experience. Whether you're an intrepid hiker, an enthusiastic camper, or a survivalist preparing for the unexpected, these shovels are designed to meet your needs. So watch the full video and check the links given in the description for updated prices and information. Number 1 is Rhino Folding Survival Shovel. The Rhino Folding Survival Shovel is your go-to tool for off-road adventures, camping, and more. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, this military-style entrenching tool is designed to tackle dirt, sand, mud, and snow effortlessly. With its 2 lbs of powder-coated carbon steel, it boasts a tough pickaxe and sharp rugged saw teeth, making it a formidable outdoor companion. When not in use, it folds neatly into the included carry case, measuring just 9x6. However, it extends to a full 23 when needed, offering both compactness and versatility. Beyond its primary role as a shovel, it excels as a garden tool, essential backpacking gear, and even a useful accessory for metal detector enthusiasts. Plus, Rhino USA stands behind its products, offering a replacement if you encounter any defects or damage, ensuring you're always ready for your next adventure. Number 2 is Antarctica Folding Camping Survival Shovel. Meet the Antarctica Folding Camping Survival Shovel, a versatile Swiss Army knife of outdoor tools. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and 3CR13 stainless steel, it's sturdy, durable, and rust-resistant, ready for your wildest outdoor escapades. With its innovative design, it's not just a shovel, it's a multi-tool. You can fold it down to a mere 9.84 inches or extend it up to 36 inches to suit your needs. The shovel head can rotate 180 degrees, offering 3 different angles: hook, 45, hoe, 90, and shovel, 180. This shovel is like having 20 tools in one, including a compass, survival whistle, fire starter, and more, making it your all-in-one outdoor companion. It caters to hikers, campers, hunters, fishermen, and adventurers of all kinds, ensuring you're well equipped for your outdoor pursuits. Number 3 is Tyger Auto Shovel. When durability and versatility are paramount, the Tyger Auto Shovel is your ideal choice. Forged from military-grade solid carbon steel and aerospace-grade anodized aluminum tubes, this shovel is designed to withstand the toughest challenges. It features a unique instant switch mechanism, allowing you to change modes in seconds, making it fast and sturdy. With 16 functions in one, it's perfect for off-roading, camping, hiking, fishing, and more. Compact and convenient, you can store it in your vehicle for emergencies, and the included storage bag ensures easy transport during your outdoor adventures. Choose the Tyger Auto Shovel, and you're prepared for any situation, from off-roading to disaster recovery, and everything in between. Number 4 is REDCAMP Folding Camping Shovel. The REDCAMP Folding Camping Shovel is your ultimate outdoor toolset. Designed for camping, hiking, backpacking, and more, this multi-tool can dig, saw, cut, hammer, and shovel, making it a versatile companion for any outdoor enthusiast. Its multi-functionality allows you to use it straight or at a 90 angle as a shovel, hoe, pick, or saw. When not in use, it folds into a compact size and comes with a carrying pouch for easy storage and transport. Made from 50 high carbon steel, it's built to endure the toughest conditions. Whether you're planning a camping trip or need a reliable tool for outdoor adventures, the REDCAMP folding camping shovel has you covered. Number 5 is EST Gear Survival Shovel. The EST Gear Survival Shovel is your ultimate outdoor toolkit, versatile enough to tackle any task in the great outdoors. Crafted with heat-treated, high-quality solid carbon steel for a corrosion-resistant spade head and aerospace-grade aluminum handles for maximum strength, it's built to last. Designed by adventure enthusiasts who understand the demands of outdoor exploration, this shovel includes 16 built-in functions, such as a camping axe, survival knife, saw, spear, bottle opener, fire starter, and more. In addition to its practical tools, it features a compact and convenient design, making it easy to carry in your vehicle for emergencies or outdoor adventures. Choose the EST Gear Survival Shovel for a complete outdoor toolkit that's tough enough for your next adventure. And in addition to those 5, Himutain Military Folding Camping Shovel is also a good one. For outdoor enthusiasts seeking a versatile and reliable tool, the Himutain Military Folding Camping Shovel is a must-have. Carefully constructed with 50 high carbon steel, it's rust-resistant and built to last. This essential outdoor tool can handle a variety of tasks, including digging, shoveling, sawing, chopping, and entrenching. It's a collapsible spade used by military forces, as well as survivalists, campers, hikers, and other outdoors groups. At a full 18.5 inches when extended but just 7.5 inches when folded into the included nylon bag, it's portable and compact, making it easy to store in transport. Whether you're planning an outdoor adventure or preparing for emergencies, the Himutain Military Folding Camping Shovel is your trusty companion.